Of course, you're listening to Naija FM 102.7. You day inside. So, Phyno, I sing that one before we go break. We also give you beer by Phyno also, and no need to drag a matter. Phyno the inside studio here, and of course, before we let you know hear his voice, we just want to welcome in our official little workshop. We don't finish handover with R&B, and of course, time don't need to go start workshop. My name is Godwin Ariwayo, the first voice of Naija FM. Lady J day here, somebody one. Lady J, how far now?
I do alright. I do okay.
Yeah, so now special way to start the show.
Yes, very special way.
We don't already tell them say we they expect Phyno, and of course, Phyno don't work and enter inside studio.
Phyno fine.
Ezeke, how far now?
Yes, so I do.
You see the stack up, baby. I know say you see the stack up now.
Now song I just sing.
But we see the video now. We see the stacks. Some people call stacks on things where we say, one won't do video. We don't know what to want to do again. But I like that. I like that particular song. You know, stacks. Now, I like the idea behind the song. The way the song stand. So you go tell us how that song come out.
My favorite line for that song now, Miss Yan.
I'm hanging up. I get what I say. You get what I ask me say? Me broke. I like, okay, who go think ourselves? Say, but welcome to Naija FM one more time.
Yeah, so thank you so much. Thank you.
I know say now on the something to live for parole with it now. The album drop. So tell us about the album. How well you don't do so far. I know you don't drop almost like by tomorrow it will be 2 weeks now.
Yeah, tomorrow it will be 2 weeks.
Yeah, so we don't drop the album. So tell us about the album. How far it did in terms of streaming, download, reaction to people to the album so far. How you been?
Of course, people love the album so much. When I drop the album, I know even they're around safe. Because I've been come out, I go do something. So I come back, I need to do my rounds first of all as I enter now. But like so far so good. My fans don't wait for these albums for a while right now.
Yes.
And I happy say I give them the album and they are loving it so much. They are loving it. Yeah.
Well, I did love him. Mr. You love him.
I did love him. No, I tell you off as a Bia. Now my favorite.
Yeah.
Now what be the inspiration behind Bia? Yes.
Bia na gospel song.
Okay.
Bia na gospel song and I just a call on God.
Okay.
Yeah, make he come guide us.
Okay, that's not what the song they all about.
Yes, now make him send him blessings down. That's what I'm saying. So Bia means come.
I know say Bia means come, but as the other ones, I know it, but I know Sha knows I like this song.
Yeah, yes.
Now it makes so much sense. So stacking up now, it be like say person vex you.
No, there's a music now. It depends on where you dey mentally at the moment. You understand? So I mean, I just did the place where I won't make that kind of music.
Okay.
I mean, I started off as a rapper, right?
Yes.
And I dey make songs with the lyrical sometimes. So stacking up now, just one of those songs where we say, just one show say, we still dig him more at the end of the day. Yeah, and if you listen to the album, you go understand and where they come from. I break myself down musically. I don't just do one particular genre of music. I just do
different sides.
I just do music the way I love them. In fact, from my production side to my music side to my rap side to everything, I make sure I put up for this album.
In fact, since this album dropped, the album gets so many tracks like Ike Pentecost. I don't tell Phyno saying one of my favorite tracks. It features Flavor inside. You get No Love feature J Teaser. You get All the
one
Smoke.
Of my favorite too.
All the Smoke. Do You Wrong Good on the play since you get Ghetto, Winner, Ain't Nobody, Love You Right. But when I don't listen to this album, I can't find out say Phyno. And now when we talk about the album, which really inspired the album, I find out say the album you give us different parts of Phyno.
Yeah, exactly.
You give us the Phyno where we know, rapper.
Yeah.
The Phyno where you rap and somebody else sing.
Yeah.
And then Phyno, you just did laid back, sit down, somebody else do the song. Like you get one song where they there, No Love featuring J Teaser.
Yeah.
And they wait to hear Phyno.
But I sing on the second verse.
I didn't wait to hear you rap because after that guy, after he don't sing, I be say okay, maybe Phyno go rap.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, now Phyno they sing so. You get some songs where you say he just sit down, lay back, just sing.
Yeah.
So different things they sing, the singing Phyno, the rap Phyno, the one where just leave people and do other things, just supervise. So tell us, what's the general concept of the album?
Okay, songs like Love Me Right, and songs like No Love. Right? No Love now for Instagram I see J Teaser. right?
Oh wow.
Oh,
And
you said for Instagram.
of course, yeah.
Wow.
And I sent them DM. I told them, say, come, so I want making them my album.
Oh wow.
So he
Okay.
came. So songs like that, you need to allow the boy shine.
Yes.
Because you actually want to show him to the world. I know they sign him or anything. I mean,
Uh-huh.
even when I bring up that kind of topic, he was already with somebody. But then the aim of that song was to let people notice him.
Because when
So I
I-
know will come that song, come the he should do his thing.
because when I listen to that song, you really leave and make it show himself for the song. Now, part of so
exactly. I'm not bad boy. No worry.
Oh, no,
You boy
no.
bad. No worry.
Bad for me musically. Abi?
Yes, so.
Oh wow.
You understand? So, but this album will be say I do specifically for music lovers and songs like Ghetto. If you know where we be say you go listen to Ghetto and you know go they inspire. Now, inspiring album too, we go inspire you, motivate you to do some things too. Songs like Do You Wrong. Now, love song. And
So
I'm
then see
and
the-
I'm and Olam they do 'em.
You see the romantic side of you.
Exactly. So
Exactly.
different. So there are different parts to the album. Different
parts.
angles to the
It
album.
be
Yeah.
like onions. You come out the first part. You can see different layers for inside.
I mean,
Yeah,
the
so-
album gets so many tracks, so many tricks tracks, sweet tracks, you know.
Yeah.
And you get one where they talk about where you feature Flavor, EK Pentecost.
Yeah.
The song that different in a generation song. That song we go give you
No, that
ginger.
one they worry already.
No, that's
That one
one.
they worry
If I will
about.
go play that song, go play. But Phyno don't tell us what's the inspiration behind the album. So, but Mo just ask you one or two more questions before we take some of these tracks. I mean, okay, we'll go play like 4 of the tracks. We'll go play we'll go play Onyenwa, we'll go play EK Pentecost.
Yeah.
We'll go. I go like no, also play that No Love featuring JT's.
Yeah.
But before then, I want to ask you how long it take you to put this album together.
More than a year plus. Because I mean, I dropped my last album 2019, right?
Okay.
I wanted to start up a project 2020. I was even thinking maybe make I do EP or make I do album for 2020 as well. Then pandemic can hit.
Yeah.
All the things where I don't record, I scrap them.
Oh.
Like from June, I'm like, you know what? Because I was somewhere like mentally where I don't even know where. And one thing one of the good things that I did in 2020 was that I just said, okay, you know what? I know they even record anything for now. All the energy where I get, we use and focus on check first of all.
Yeah.
So he dropped and we make sure say we push and well and
Push on,
everything.
yes.
So I mean Zoom blew and he dropped an EP last year as well. So
Yes.
after the EP, I'm like, okay, back to my own project as well. So that's when I started recording this album one after the other.
After the other.
You understand? But after I dropped I think one song last year. After we drop this year again, I almost scrapped everything what I do. I started all over again. Yeah, I mean that's the process because as sound they move on.
Yeah, as they
You have
evolve.
to evolve. You have to
yes.
evolve yourself too. You understand? So it happens a whole lot. And I no one carry am over next year. That's why I'm
Yeah.
like I must drop this
You must
project
drop
this
am
year.
this year. And you go say you drop am because so many lovely tracks. Then Phyno go
Yeah.
tell us the number of producers we work with. One of my songs where we say they scatter my dada inside.
Pentecost.
Ike
Why you call them
Pentecost.
EK Pentecost?
EK Pentecost nah. It actually means that anointing will fall down on
the
during
day of Pentecost.
Yes, now
Okay.
waiting in me, right?
Oh, wow.
But then for Igbo, now slangs it be for man person we don't hammer. This one don't hammer. This
okay.
hammer now Pentecost hammer.
Pentecost
So now
hammer.
waiting in
Oh
me.
wow.
You understand?
Yes,
So
so-
Why I feel to say you waste. Now Lady J now waste the song. Because Lady J get waste. And this kind of song suppose dance. Anytime
I
why
want stand up dance, but I know say
Hey,
recording go start to
see,
dey yab me.
I know yab
and I
you.
don't want make anybody yab
No,
me.
Lady J, you know what's happening? Because this song they remind me of my girlfriend in university in those days. Na Igbo girl. I don't want to call her name. But very lovely girl. I just the picture how she dey dance those Igbo dance for me. Sometimes when we dey together.
Hey.
And the picture her dancing this song to me. It dey give me memories of
Na me memories.
God in that time memory lane.
Nah, true, I mean, it remind me of her, the kind dance. with the
You
song.
dey memory highway, no worry.
Now you carry me enter the highway now. If you don't just put the right for the highway, we just want to branch to memory highway by the right. All right, of course, now EK Pentecost be that. Another jam from Phyno, where they inside that album, Something to Live For.
Yes,
and of
sir.
course, now inside Naija FM 102.7, the original Naija session, you take enjoy that jam. Phyno Phyno Day Studio with me, the first voice. Godwin Arowayo plus Lady J, the answer better. What we talk about the album, Something to Live For. You know why you title and Something to Live For?
One of the people I respect so much, one of my mentors, we they have a conversation one day. So he made a comment. This was like during the pandemic as well.
Okay.
So he said he mentioned about having a purpose, right? So he said you either stand for something or you die for nothing.
You die for nothing.
So the only thing where you feel stand for now your purpose,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So it got me thinking, okay, like why they even do it that they do, Seth? Yeah, like what's the reason for the music, Seth? And what's it's working and fine, but what's the purpose? Is it the passion for now? I've done it in the passion era, right? I've done it in the being relevant era. I think I've even still crossed those stage in my career right now. So I found out like that at the stage where they're right now, they do them for the people and not just me again. I get people will be say if I don't do this music again, I don't feel. Then because now them they carry me for head like say now you be our own number one or we don't care about any other number one. So it ends up being about those people.
Yeah.
You understand? So I just find out that a whole lot of people get inspired by waiting that they do and by my words and me they actually look, so it became something I have to live for.
Yeah.
So it was just something that I have to build the album around.
So
you understand?
So in a nutshell, the purpose where you get, knowing fully well, say you they are accountable to a lot of people.
Yes.
Where they look up to you, they inspired by you. So
exactly.
I mean, so this is basically that whole purpose you they live for.
Exactly.
So you put a lot of music together.
Exactly.
Enjoy.
Exactly.
It makes sense. So say that it didn't get. So what you gonna say would be one of the most unique thing about this album, way different from your previous albums?
One of the most unique thing about this album from my previous album is that I did music the way we say I want to.
Okay.
Like I was free. There was no
pressure to say.
There was no pressure to even satisfy anybody at all. The music was coming from within. Just feel my heart.
Yeah.
You understand? Just there's something for everybody in this project. So that's like one of the most satisfying thing about this project.
The truth be say, if you listen to this album like I they talk, someone like me who don't get the album since why they listen to that, you go on that truth they talk. Different kind of the album get gospel inside. You get one if just sing beginning to end. You go and trust me, you go enjoy and say they sing, rap. You understand? You get the one you do with other artists, you also sing inside.
Yeah.
So something for everybody, like in talk, different types of music all put together for somebody to enjoy. We'll go see talk about the videos very soon. But like how many producers you work with for this album?
They plenty. They plenty. I can't. I don't know if you remember everybody now. That's why I'm actually on my phone now because I want to bring them out then show you. Okay. I worked with Chills.
Okay.
Yeah, Chills is one talented guy, and he's an artist too. He sings and he produces as well.
Okay.
I worked with TYMG. He produced the song with me and Peruzzi. I worked with Eli the Great. I worked with Ron Check. I worked with Rexy. All of them know Rexy.
Yeah, we know Rexy, yeah.
I worked with Ransom Beat and Mavi. Two of them, they produced the song with Jetiza. I worked with Black Jay-Z. I worked with Soul Large. I worked with Flengy. Then, I can't forget Mastercraft. I worked with Mastercraft.
Okay.
Yeah.
Enough producers.
Yeah, so producers plenty on the song, on the album.
He get this your producer those days, Major Banks. Where he dey?
In there.
But Major Banks no work for this album.
No work for this album. And this is actually the only album where we no work.
So now you make Major Banks popular now. Major Banks,
well, at the end of the day, Major and a family at the end of the day. But this particular project, he wasn't too close.
Okay.
I think he was working on some other things, and
Okay.
I told you, we started from pandemic. Everybody they far, so from the ones who they around me, we say I work with Sharply. Yeah.
Oh wow, okay. So now we be say people don't hear this song now, and I know say they go to expect say okay, we love these songs, we need to download the song or stream them. So where they go fit go?
They're all streaming platform from Spotify to Apple Music to Boomplay to Audiomack to Deezer, Amazon Music, everywhere. Yeah.
So it's very easy to find.
Yeah, very easy.
So and now this one don't drop. What will be the next for Phyno?
I say they do rounds on this one, right? Then more videos go drop, more tours, more concerts. I'm not even thinking about the next project right now, but I know myself because anything we could just keep me. I just really happy to say somewhere somehow I drop this album this period. Even now if I don't enter studio again.
Go to another
So
one.
so this December make we could just stay the holiday and out then probably next year.
I go even tell you to relax. More they enjoy this one, they go first. More they enjoy and they go before. Of course, ideas go come for the other one. But for I hear from a grapevine say one of your favorite tracks for this album now
Well,
say you like that Onion Wa Wewe. So tell us about that. Now we won't play next now.
So
When we play the Onion Wa,
Onion Wa,
when we play the Onion Wa come back, we'll call open the lines, take like 5 calls because messages go on full WhatsApp
Yes,
now.
now.
Then we'll come talk about videos for let you know. But tell us about this Onion Wa. Somebody where they very, very close to them say, Godwin, this Onion Wa Phyno one. So after I make sure say the song they here, we must play the song. Tell us about the song.
Onion Wanna definitely one of my favorite on the album. But now people force them to be my favorite and no go lie. As the album drum, 9 people pick.
Okay.
So I'm like, okay, you know what? Fine. Because me, I think one of my favorite on the album has to be All the Smoke.
All the smoke. Mister, I like all the smoke.
Yes.
Now,
Right?
by the way, that all the smoke. Phyno finish work for that. So I'm not talking. I must play here before we come out.
Yeah. One of my favorite for the album, but not All the Smoke. But like when the album dropped, I mean, Only One Day very, very danceable, and people want to dance. So they just picked up that one. I'm like, okay, I go follow una dance this dance when I want dance. So I know say make una dance, and me I know go come the dance too.
Okay.
So I mean, but only one are one of my favorite as well, and it was produced by Chills
Okay.
as well. Yeah.
So the Onion Wa getting is so as people like to dance and you don't get any specific dance step for that Onion.
I don't get that.
Somebody need to help help you manufacture dance step. Maybe do a video of a dance step.
I know people, plenty dancers don't they send me
Don't they send
dance
videos
videos for the
of
thing,
the
but
song.
everybody's dancing. Me, I just sabi shake my body, but
Okay.
You know the dancer.
I'm not a good dancer.
Okay,
A great dancer. I can move my body.
Now big question. What they wait for?
Wetin
You
dey wait
understand?
for? Wetin-
Of course.
why you dey dull?
I Phyno they here live and direct, and of course,
Phyno fine,
like we promise,
Also.
when we come back, we go give them a chance to follow Phyno Yan. So more will call out the numbers now.
Yeah, before I call out the numbers, I don't they say I go ask you your name Phyno. You are not say your real name na Chibuzo.
See the way they call out Chibu.
Chibuzo. Make I try use that Igbo accent call them small. But wetin bring about the name Phyno?
Now my secondary school nickname.
Oh wow,
Yeah, and it came from Phenomenal.
phenomenal.
Yeah.
Okay.
Phenomena as in you there extra.
You did extra phenomenal.
But I am.
So now from secondary school. Now true. I mean from secondary school, your friends don't already they see and say this guy no normal.
I don't worry, no worry. I don't worry them all.
As you did,
That phenomenon, they don't come from good place. So when they give me that number, make I tell you the truth. And I worry you.
Oh, I say you that you're worried. Now you say then sabi where.
It be like
Nah, just say I they do waiting at life right now. So now waiting make me that year when we say they go to teach, you go see they disturb everybody.
Ew.
You know understand on top lock, I just they make music yourself. So
okay.
it was a phenomenal noise.
Now we phenomenal,
yes.
but phenomenal now they pay now.
Like that. But Phyno, before you come off for studio right now, I know say a lot of your fans they happy with this album. I mean from reports and everything, people love them. So what will be your final words you want to say to everybody we did here now? And of course, looking forward to the rest of the year and next year. At least before you come off for studio now.
Okay. Big love to everybody who first of all tune into this program, where they listen to Naija FM right now. And to those when they listen, where they support me and they support the brand since day one. I love all of you. I want to say a very, 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 very big thank you to everybody right now. Then keep streaming the album, keep listening, right? And my advice to everybody now, when you listen to this album, I hope you pick out something from it, because this album, apart from it being being music, right? And also lesson I teach everybody for the album. So I hope you must pick out something from the album, from the inspirational songs to the love songs to the real life situations in the album. I hope you pick up you pick up something from
pick
the album.
something you go hold on to. I mean, you understand. Me, of course, I don't already plenty things where I don't even pick for this album. If I knowing fully well, say you get different sides to a person. Maybe you just one particular side. Seeing other side of Phyno I never even see before for this album alone. Self make me the trip. Say I know that's why I say I wait for Phyno when he comes studio. Man, I tell and say some of these jams where he do, but all the same that fantastic album like they talk now album where once you slaughter them in like this. As soon as you say you don't download them for your phone, once you begin play, they need a skip track.
Go just they listen, they go.
To the next one,
Next
because
one.
something there for everybody. Okay, so go on all online platforms, stream the album, download them, get them for your phone, buy good music, and enjoy all the inspiration with the inside the album. Just remind everybody your social media handle before you come over studio.
Yeah, so my social media handle in all platforms is Phyno, Phyno,
Phyno.
Yeah.
Phyno, nine be that one. Of course, that lady requests for say she like Do You Wrong.
Yeah.
And of course, if feature Olamide inside the song, go use Do You Wrong, escort Phyno come up for studio. Phyno, who produced Do You Wrong?
Do You Wrong was produced by Ron Check.
Run check. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So why you go do video for Do You Wrong?
Definitely it has to drop next year.
Next year.
Yeah.
Okay.
It
Okay, fine.
has to drop next year, the video.
All right. So now don't hear them. Phyno, the DJ, anything you want to Phyno before we come over
So
studio.
Phyno, thanks for coming. I appreciate. Well, you redeem yourself at the beginning because before we don't see before. Na baby in call me. I didn't see me in call me auntie. So you don't redeem himself now. But that redemption, they come.
You don't graduate from baby to auntie now.
Why I go graduate from baby to auntie?
You
for
know,
Phyno?
you don't understand.
No,
you don't
I don't
understand.
fit be auntie to Phyno.
But now my baby, now my baby forever. No wahala.
Baby forever.
Make I be auntie to Phyno.
Nice one, Lady J. Baby forever. Congratulations, so baby.
Well, you don't want to call me baby. Make somebody else call me baby.
Okay, fine. Okay, I'm going to call you Phyno baby from tomorrow. You understand? Thanks for coming. More
Thanks
vibe
for
to Do You
coming.
Wrong. And of course, like I talk, check Instagram at Godwin Aruwa right there at Naija 102 FM for Instagram.
You sure say you no go change your handle to Godwin Onyenwa?
Maybe,
Very, very important.
I will consider changing to Godwin Onyenwa. All right, so when I enter the Instagram now, check out One Vibe Out to Do You Wrong by Phyno featuring Olamide from the album Something to Live For. Will they come back to continue with the rest of the show? Workshop with Godwin and DJ live on Top Naija FM.
102.7, no change to dial.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.